Hi, this is Seme from Apify. Today I want to talk to you about x402 and Apify. So we just released our support for x402, which allows any AI agents to pay for Apify Actors with Base on the blockchain. So no more API keys, no more billing, nothing. Why do you need this? Well, in the new world of agentic payments, agents are not going to be able to go to Apify and sign up with a credit card, but they will be able to transfer some USDC, for example, to another agent to buy those actor calls. So today I want to show you how the x402 support with Apify works. We'll set up a wallet using mcpc, our protocol for MCP servers, and then we will actually do a run. So let's start. So where do you start? Well, docs.apify.com, we have this doc regarding x402. And it's a very simple guide to starting on how to actually create your own wallet. So that's what we're going to do today. And another thing I want to show you, of course, is the Agentic Market, where our service, Apify, is already there. So that's another use case that you can use, basically. You can see that Agentic Commerce is gaining more grounds over here, Agentic Market, which is actually started by Coinbase. It's already at $50 million in turnover. All right, so let's create our first wallet and let's do a test call. So what I'm going to do basically is take some of these commands and run them. All right, so open your favorite terminal or IDEs. All right, so let me create a new directory here. Let's call it Agentic Payments. All right, let's go to that directory. And let's run some of these commands. So first, copy that command, paste it. Now it's installing MCPC. All right, that's done. So let's just run the first command. Okay, I already have a wallet because it's actually saved in my system. So in that case, once you have that wallet, you can go ahead and put the info. And there you go. That is the address for my wallet. So now, right now, I have $4 on my wallet. Okay. And let's try to run an actor using those $4. So let's connect to our MCP server, for example. All right, so now I can see some of the tools I've connected. So right now I have not actually validated through the MCP, but I'm using the actual x402 to bridge. All right, so let's call an actor, for example. So for, say, Instagram, and let's say I want, I don't know, let's create for x402, for example. All right, now, basically through the x402, we are doing this actor run. So you can imagine here, I have not connected to an actual MCP. I don't have an Apify account. All I do have is the actual wallet, and it's now running it. Okay, and now I got the content back. I want to use this x402 service to, let's say, for TikTok, to find trending videos for AI agents. Okay. So actually, in the last run, you could see 0 used, and probably some error in the way I structured the command. But obviously, you don't need Claude to actually connect to MCP. It's very easy. You can just use the actual commands that are found in the docs. But I would recommend, afterwards, you can just, invoke Claude here. Okay, YouTube Shorts. So now it's actually calling Apify. So the beauty about this is you don't actually need any Apify account. So once you have it in your local directory, it start calling it with the x402 protocol. And this is especially good, for example, if you are looking for one-off jobs, right? Where you don't want to necessarily a whole subscription. Okay. So now it's actually calling the YouTube short scraper for me. Yeah, looks like it's receiving some data. So that's great. Looks like he paid the $1 for that YouTube scraper. So just like that, my agent is actually okay. Looks like there was an error, but it fixes it. So it did the scrape, but the view sort and the filter was too restrictive. But obviously, because there was no results created, it didn't charge me, right? So it's still held in the USDC balance. So now Claude is trying, let's say, with a more comprehensive, looser filters. So the beauty about this is basically in the future, when AI agents are, so whether you're a developer or obviously an Apify user, in the future, AI agents don't actually need all of these tokens and validations and verifications, but they can go out to the Agentic Market, for example, and run these tasks without ever creating a token, just by sharing some USDC or even Solana, because now the protocol itself is expanding. And looks like it's writing now my CSV file. All right, here we go. And it's done this. Gave me some of the best channels for AI agents on YouTube. And of course, if I actually go to the directory in my Finder, I can see the CSV file that it created. It costs less than $1. And basically, I have all of this valuable info, including the title, the name. And just like that, I was able to use a tool with Apify without actually having an Apify account and just by paying through USDC. So yeah, the future is here. As you can see, the actual agent market is expanding daily. So this is the right time to get on board. And we will be making a lot more videos. This is just the start. So thank you for watching. Check out our channel for more helpful tutorials and make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time.